Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Before we start with the video, just one announcement briefly. It's something very serious. So for everybody who, a lot of people know, I would say 99% of people don't need to bother here because you know that there are a lot of scammers, bots and whatever in the comment section. I think we, better than any other YouTube channel that I know, we keep the community or the comment section clean. We ban more than 20 accounts per day. We delete these scammer comments. Other YouTube channels often don't bother about this, but we keep it as clean as possible. Of course, we can't be there 24 hours. But you see these messages very often. They ask you to either send a message on Instagram or to, contact them on WhatsApp. We don't use WhatsApp, and I have this warning in front and after each video. Yeah, a lot of people don't read it. I don't know why, but there is a warning in every video, and in every video description. We don't use WhatsApp. You can find the official social media links in the beginning of each video and in the video description. However, there are still a lot of people who send us messages if we are that person or that person. No, we are not. We would never send you a direct message anywhere. Of course, if you contact us, we'll reply, but we will never contact you directly on Instagram. A lot of people still get scammed. I don't believe it. There are a lot of impersonators and scammers out there. I think we so far banned 10 Instagram channels, and there are still new ones coming up every day. So please only use the official channels. Keep three things in mind. Only follow the official channels. Keep in mind, we would never send you a direct message, and we don't use WhatsApp. And also never send anyone money or crypto that you don't know or have booked a service from, because we would never ask you for money. Okay. All right. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, not Cardano. Cardano, overall here we can still be carefully bullish, and it is really getting very, very carefully bullish. Yeah. As long as we hold above this yellow line, the bulls can defend the bullish scenario. We need to hold above 42.1 cents or 42 cents. If we go below this level, it will massively increase the probability that we will also drop below 40.3. And I think, the 42.1 cent level is an important level that needs to hold. It is good that Cardano has moved up quite strongly here in this move. And it's not falling as far as Bitcoin at the moment, because if it did, it would have made a lower low and would already be struggling with that level here. So at the moment, it's holding fairly well. Holding better than Ethereum, for example, at the moment, and better than Bitcoin. But still, overall, the ADA chart is quite weak at the moment. And if we go below the 42.1 cent level, we have to count this overall wave structure a little bit different. And then we have to count all of this as a triangle. I showed that in a previous video, and that would then make the bearish scenario much more likely. And again, in the bearish scenario, we could come down to 29 or 30 cents. No problem. However, as long as we hold above 42.1 cents, I'm going to go carefully with a bullish scenario. Here, what do we have? We've got the expanded flat here. We had a wave 1 here, a wave A, B, and the wave C coming down now. We've already completed the minimum requirements to complete this wave C, but still, I told you in the previous videos and previous sessions that we do expect one more low below that previous one, so below 43.6 cents. I gave you here again, this was a reversal area. Worked. This was a reversal area, which worked as well, twice actually. So that was spot on, and now we are coming down finally, and we have nearly made a lower low. What we can see is that this, in my opinion, in the wave 4 was an ABC pattern. I think it can be rather better counted as a WXY. It doesn't make a great difference though, so I'll leave it like that. And from here, as you can see, in the move down of this wave 5, we can so far count 3 waves, a 1, a 2, a 3. I'd like to see the wave 4 now, which might be starting now already, and then the wave 5 down. And then we might hopefully end above 42.1 cents. And if that wave 2 is then over, then we should move up impulsively in a wave 3. But again, condition is we need to hold that 42.1 cent level. If we go lower than that, it won't end good for the bullish scenario, and it has to go out of the window. And then we talk about possibly a 29 to 30 cent ADA price. But for now, again, we can be carefully optimistic, but would need the price to reverse above 42.1 cents to the upside. And yeah, that's pretty much just the update I can give you here at the moment about ADA. I think on the weekend we will know more. Best indication at the moment that we go up higher is really if we break above the wave C high. There is currently no other structural level that would really provide a good indication that we are already going higher. I mean, at the moment, you know, as soon as we have, and that is just something to keep an eye on, the earliest signal that we are going up and that we finished here wave 5 is if we finish off the wave 4. Yeah, so you'll see a bit of a retracement here and then come down now in the 5. That if we see us going above the wave 4 high, which hasn't been created yet, that is the first signal that we are going up, and then it would be the wave 2 high here at 48 cents. If we go above that level, we can assume that we go higher ideally in a wave 3, and that should then take us even above the 60 cent level as well. So that will be interesting in the next few sessions. Again, first is interesting to know, or important to know, if the 42.1 cent level is holding, and if it does, then I would expect a wave 3 to the upside or another 1-2 setup, but ideally we want to see finally a wave 3. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, please check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, and a weekly live stream, plus all sorts of additional content. And yeah, please also make sure you follow us on our social media channels, Instagram and Twitter, but only the official ones. Yeah, very important. Only the official ones, and you can find the links for those also in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.